Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Ganache CLI command, which will let you basically test and execute commands. And it does let you uh, test if you're building Ethereum or blockchain based application. So go ahead and Google for Ganache Lab. It's very simple. I'll leave this link in the description. Make sure you type Ganache Lab and you should be landing on this page. The same page, okay? Now right it detects your operating system, or you can visit the GitHub repo and you can go to releases, 46 releases, or download right there from. But it is good idea to download if you get something like this on the website itself. So what I'm going to do, this has been already downloaded, so go ahead and locate the download or let it be downloaded, and then I can execute it from right there. If you have already downloaded with some other browser, you can locate the download and then get so this is what I have, this one. So this is already downloaded, this is still in the progress, so I'll go ahead and install Ganache 2.0.1, and this is how it is going to load. Hang on while we get your apps information. So that's great. Now okay, so uses all system resources, launch when ready. Yeah, I'll keep that checked and click on install. Getting system ready for install, and this is how it looks. So you can see these are the features that you'll get. These are all test accounts, basically addresses, Ethereum addresses with balance to basically test and develop your applications, contracts, etc. This is really good application, Ganache. This is publisher that you can see here. Blockchain log output, advanced mining controls, built-in block explorer, the Ethereum blockchain. The recipe is open source, so that's really good. So that's Ganache. You can check the guide. Unlimited guide to Truffle, the gateway of full stack blockchain development. Web3 unleashed, decentralized social media with Lens, and Web3 gaming development with Truffle and Unity. So Unity means C#. Here we go. What's Truffle? Benefits of building with Truffle. Truffle suite core features and tooling. Truffle command line interface. Truffle dashboard. Ganache. Truffle for VS Code. Awesome. It is taking really long time, so you can see, hopefully I will be able to run, no, not Truffle, but Ganache. This is Ganache. You can see Truffle dashboard. This is what you get. Welcome. You check the documentations. Okay, so it picked up Truffle contract meet sweeter one-click blockchain, that is Ganache. Fast, easy. Ganache, what is Ganache? Ganache is a personal blockchain for rapid Ethereum and Filecoin distributed application development. You can use Ganache across entire development cycle, enabling you to develop, deploy, and test dApps in safe and deterministic environment. Concerns around insolidity, Ethereum development if it offers everything. HTTP WebSockets, Ganache, README, connected documentations, how to, quick start. We'll hit the quick start once the installation is done, and then let's see how to manage workspace, creating. Okay, so we can click that quick, delete workspace, and then link a Truffle project, switch workspace with that very much. This is where we need to click to the workspaces. Okay, so and then we have Ethereum workspace, overview transactions, drizzle, Truffle for VS Code. So this is a great tool. We are going to quick launch it and have a look. Best in class debugging, faster and easier and safer Ethereum simulation, robust L1 L2 support, access. Guys, it is taking really long time, so okay, so it is basically going to offer lots of things here. So if you're thinking about getting into dApp development, or sort of you want to have understanding of how dApps work, Ganache will let you get into the world of dApps, decentralized Web3 applications. So, and that's the future if you're building Web2 application or any traditional cloud application in next 5 years. Metaverse, Web 3.0, decentralized application are going to be the mainstream applications anyway, because cybercrime is basically increasing day by day, and that's the way to sort of securing the online businesses and transactions. Okay, Ganache is ready. It's going to be launched automatically, so it is taking a bit of time. Continue, guys. Quick start. Now it is faster. See, that's an application. So that's Ganache for dApp, app testing and development. end-to-end development, debugging, etc. Alright guys, so let's see what that is. Ganache, and it is taking a bit longer. I'm not sure why. Okay guys, so thank you for your patience. You can see these are all addresses, and this is the balance. So this is how you can install Ganache. Quick launch it and have your addresses and balance associated with the addresses for debugging and testing and dApp applications. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.